Hello, welcome back guys now to another YouTube tutorial. Today we have a Photoshop agent. What we have here is just like agent have multiple tools that we can do like some edit image and combine images. So what we're going to do now, I will explain for you how we build this agent and the other two sub workflows and how we can build it later. So without further ado, let's get started. So here's our main agent here, and we have our Telegram trigger. So this is our Telegram trigger. We already set up before the Telegram. If you need more setup guides on other tutorials, just tell me in the comment down below and we will do it. And we have here the switch node. The switch node, we have photos or we have text. So that depends on two things. If you already uploaded the photo, because we need to upload photos, because what we have here is edit image or combine images. So combine images, that's mean that we already uploaded the photos or the images here to our Google Drive. So that's mean we will just use the text. If we're still starting with the edit image, we can download the file first, or if we even uploaded the image, we can edit it also. So that's why we have to either we upload the image that we want, or we can do the text. And I will show you both actually now. So yes, that's why we have the switch. Okay, so the switch itself, if it's message, so you'll go to this route, or if it's text, you'll go to this route. Okay, now we have in the photo one, we have download file. So we need to download the photo first from Telegram. It's get photo. And of course here we have our file ID. This file ID, this will come from the Telegram trigger itself. And then we have upload file. So we need to upload the file to our Google Drive because basically we need like a database just to upload the file to be in a binary field. As long as we have the file as binary, so it will be easier to download and get the file ID. So yeah, that's why here we're using Google Drive. So this is not for Google Drive. The operation is upload. And the input field, of course, is data, and the file name, we would choose the date and time format. And then we have the actual drive itself. So this is my drive, then I choose anything from the list. Okay, now we have here a set text. So the set text here is just explaining few things about the actual message here. So it's saying that the user just submitted a picture. Here's the ID of that file in Google Drive, and we are giving it the ID. Okay, so it passes it to our photo agent here, just to understand what we need to do, because what we are doing to add here is the json.message.text. And what is this? So this is the user prompt. The user prompt is what you give the agent to understand what it needs to do, or why it doesn't even exist, you know. So this is the user message, and we are getting it from this one because we cannot just like connect it to this one. So that's mean we're uploading the photo, it will not understand. So that's why we are doing a set node. And yes, now we have our main agent here. We already explained the user message. Now to the system message. So the system message, you can just simply get it from like ChatGPT or something. Just explain what you need and what you want to do exactly, and it will give you all this one. So we have here the overview, the tools, the instructions. We have the name to change it and to combine photos also, and then to search the AI images that we already created. Okay, and of course for this AI agent, we need a chat model. The chat model will be 4.1 mini, that one we are using here. And we need the symbol memory, just like we can make it 5 or something. Well, let's make it 10. 10 means that like it will remember last 10 chat between me and the agent. And of course the key is our Telegram trigger here, the ID, to remember the ID itself. Then we have the combine image tool. So this is just to call another workflow. This is the other workflow calls combine images. And we'll choose the database, and this description just describe the tool itself for the agent. So the agent will call the tool, but the agent needs to understand why it's calling this tool or what this tool does. So call this tool to combine two images. You must pass over an image generation prompt, the IDs of both of the images, and a title for this new image. So it just basically just explain what this tool for. Okay. Now we have workflow input. Yes, we have here the prompt, description, image one, image two, image title. So what we have here, of course, we letting the model decide this one. So we letting the model decide the actual prompt itself. You just press this button. Well, I didn't write any of this. I just pressed this button and that's it. So the model itself will decide, the AI agent. Okay. And this is the description. Okay, for the prompt itself. So the image generation prompt, this should be optimized for an AI image generation. So it's just simply explaining what is this prompt for. Okay. Now we have the image one. This is the ID of the image one. We have image two, ID of image two, and we have the image title for the new image itself. Because like I said, this combine images. So we need after we combine, so we'll create totally third image, and we need a new title for it. So this is just letting the AI model to decide. It's exactly also almost the same here in the edit one. So the edit one, call this tool to edit an image. So simply just edit an image. So you pass an image, or you already uploaded an image, and it will just like modify it or change few things. And of course we have the same one, the database, and we will choose, like we choose here we choose edit image tool. So let's go to this workflow. Okay. And of course we have a really quick, the image title, the prompt, and the ID. We letting the model decide everything. We don't need to do it, but actually you can just remove this and you can do whatever you want. Like if you need specific prompt, specific ID, specific title, but it's better to let the model decide. This is our edit image. And let me show you our combine image sub workflow. And really quick here also we have our Google Drive folders. So we have here search files. So when we upload the file, or when we want to want the file itself, so we can search the file. So let me show you how. So we have here our Google Drive node. So the operation is search. Okay, when you search, so you search or list files and folders itself. So it depends, like we have here, for example, we have here any10. I choose this folder, so this will be any10. Then we have files. So what does this do? So it searches this file that called any10, and it searches for specific files. Files mean images, or it depends what you want, because you can choose here file and folders or even folders, but we will choose files. And then the options that we added the field, we added the ID, we added the name, and we add the web view link. Web view link, that's if you got the link from like Google or Cloud or something, and you just pass the link, so you can just add the link here. Okay. Yes, this also the combined images, so it's almost the same, identical, just few changes. Okay, and we have here also our node change name. So it's the same also drive node, but we will choose here the operation will be update. So we will update something already there. Sorry about that. So we will upload something is already there. And by the ID, we will let the model define the ID itself, because we will tell the model, like let's say for example that choose image one, so it knows already the ID because it creates the ID for that image. So the model itself created, so it already knows. And you update file name, it also chooses the file name because we already make it here the file ID, the prompt, the title, so we already defined by the model. So it's better just to make it defined by the model because it will be the same one. So this is simply just updating or changing, updating something itself. Now we have here search AI images. So we are searching also, we are searching the folder, we are searching the folder, the files in any10. And what does it do? Because sometimes you will be confused, like what's the difference between search AI and search raw files? So this is like a basic search. You'll be able to search. You'll be able to search the actual folder itself, but with the search AI, you'll be able to search like literally everything and understand what are you searching for. For example, so we would like, because I just did it both any10, like this list, and from this one, any10. But what we actually doing, you have to choose one like this. We can do it any10 like it is. and the search AI images, we can make it like totally different folder, and this different folder will search the combined images if it put the combined images there, and or it will search the actual two image that it's already been edited, the ID, the file, the title. So basically this, if you want to add a different folder, and this different folder that already have the updated files. But for my case here, I just put all the files, the updated, the new, the old, everything in just one folder. But this have to be a different folder, totally separate folder. Okay, just to understand what's the difference between both of them. Yes, and here finally we have the if node. The if node, if it's a photo, so it will create a photo. If it's a text, so it will create a text. But actually, I connected to both because it will give you the photo and it will give you the text. So it will give you the actual final photo, then it will give you the text underneath it just to explain what this photo for. Okay. Now we have here the combined image workflow. We have here executed by sub workflow, and we have the edit field. So the edit field, just take the image itself and then put two images in array. Okay, let me just do it really quick here for you. Yeah, we need Telegram. Okay. Let's put this one. Okay, so this is our photo for a guy. We'll put this one first. So it's uploading now. It's uploading the Google Drive. And then it's just added as text. Showing that there's a problem. Okay, show me what is the problem. There is no photo in the request. What would you like to name it? Okay. Where is the Telegram? Where did it go? Well, actually, it's not an error. I would like to name it human, for example. Okay, so it's already renamed, but there's something, yeah, it's always going to photo. Let me check why it's always going to photo. Okay, let's just change this. Okay, now it will be better. Okay, I want to add this one also. I believe this is a speaker. Yeah, call it as speaker. Okay, it's uploading the file now. Okay, yeah, a speaker. Photo has been renamed speaker in Google Drive. Okay, great. And just to make sure that this one also, let's just do it like this, much better, easier. Man, let's just call it man. What would you like to call it? Okay, call it man. Okay, great. So now we have both photos in our Google Drive, okay? What we need to do now, we need to combine both images, okay? I don't need to edit any of them, so we will just combine both images. And just to let you know what we did, see, it uses the change name because it changed both names. So let's try to combine images, okay? Now, okay, let's try this one. So now we are combine both images. Supposed to be to go to the combine, see, it goes to the combine tool. So now it's getting the ID for both images here. Let me show you. So now it's working here in the background. It gets the ID for both images, and now it will combine both images. It will get the photo of this man, and it will get the photo for the speaker, and then it will like create like something like advertising for this speaker. Okay. Okay, it's taking a little bit long, but that's no problem because we are combining both things. And I just want to tell you what it's doing here. We can do really a lot of things with this thing. Like we do like a timer here. And if you already have file that it's already have multiple photos, multiple images, you can just add timer and let it upload it by itself, rename it by itself, and then just update it these images. It's already finished here. Okay, it's give us a link here. Let's see it. Okay, great. See? So it gets the photo of the man. It gets the photo of the man and it gets the speaker itself, and then it combines the images. Of course, we can like make it much better than this if we just did the prompt here. It's all about prompting what we need and what to do exactly, but this is just a general Photoshop agent, but we can make it specifically for like a campaign, advertising campaign, or for speakers only, for hand phones only, or mobile phone only. You know the idea that we can make it more specific, more niched than just a general one. But this is how we can do combine images and edit images. Let's just try the edit image really fast. Can you edit the, let's make it here, man image, and let him wear a red shirt. Let's try this one. So now we are using the edit image. Let's go to our edit image here. Now we just want to take this man and to do the edit for it. Just changing this shirt from white, and we will make it red. So let's see if it will do it. Okay, great. It finished. Let's see. See, now we have the same man, same picture, everything. Oh, okay. And we have the red shirt. So now we understand the idea and what, like how powerful this one it is. We can do like really a lot of things with it. And this is already the workflow. So it already got the information from the sub workflow. It got the image ID, the man, the title itself, because it will put the title in our Google Drive like this. And we have the actual prompt itself. And then we have download, so we need to download it, and we need to get URL. So get URL because we need the data because it's in a binary file. So we need to have it as a URL in order to be easier to work with it. So the thing is, we have multiple things that we can change the data, the binary data to URL, but what we are using here is image BBB. So you'll go to image BBG. No, sorry, it's IMG. Okay, so this is what we have. I already signed in. I don't know why it's not signed in. Let's try to sign in. Okay, see, so it's already, this is the most recent. So this is why I created a link for it, our two images here, and we are using this one. So of course you can go to the main page here, and you will see at the bottom you will see API, and then when you go to API you will see your API key, and you have this link. This link you'll paste it here, and that's it. You'll just do this file that it is, expiration, and then you have your API key. Or you can simply just take the curl. When you take the curl, you will just put it here. You'll put import curl, and you will paste it, and it will fill all this. But of course, you need to put your API key. And then we have the body. The body will be form data, and we have anything binary file. Let me just, yes, do it like this. Okay, we have here the anything binary file. We will choose this one because it's a binary file. Then we have image, the name itself, it's image, and the field itself, it's data. So that's why we put data. And then we put like the max redirections, just not let it time out. Okay, so this is how to transfer the actual binary to a URL, and with the method will be post. Then we have create image. So create image, this is using fal. So fal, it's like this one of the cheapest model that we can have, and it does have multiple models we can use, like really a lot of models that we can use, and this is to create our image. Okay, so we get here the file itself. It will be using Nano banana edit. In order to find it, you will just search. Okay, let's just search Nano. See, Nano banana, image to image. And then you'll go to API. You can just try the playground here, change few things, but you'll just go to API here and change this one, make it HTTP curl. And then you can take the actual curl itself if you want and just put it there, but it's better just to get the API itself. So what we need to do, just go to home, API keys, and then you can add an API key, and you can copy and paste it here in header. Okay, and the actual file itself, this is the last one that we were at, just to know from where that we got this one. So it's this is the URL itself. You'll just copy and paste this URL, and you will just put it here. Okay, now we have here the send body. The send body will be JSON, and using JSON, and this is the JSON that we will use. This is the prompt, and the prompt will be executed by another workflow that it's already coming from our main Photoshop agent. And we have the image URL, because like I said, image URL, we need to pass it to file. So this is the IBBB, the image URL that we already got it from here. Okay, and we have here the number of images, just one, and the output format, of course, is JPG. So that's normal. So you can just take this, or you can just download the total workflow from my Skool community. You will just plug and play, and it will be much easier if you're already familiar with Anything. Okay, so this is for file, and of course this will be post, the method, and then we're just waiting 10 seconds because sometimes it's not it's taking more than 10 seconds, and then the results. If it's successful, so it will just go to here to download the image. If it's not, so it will go to another 5 seconds, then it will check. This is the results. Okay, this get, because of course now we need to get the image from file URL, and we are putting the same one, except we are putting here request, then the actual ID itself, the ID for our image. Then we have the same authentication. We'll just put our API key, and just make sure that here in file you need to put authorization. Okay, then we have download image, just a normal HTTP request. Just put the URL itself, this URL, and just do the download, and it will download the file, then upload it to our Google Drive. So we are uploading here to our Google Drive, and that's it. Then the results, we are sending this, the same image, the URL, everything. We are sending this response to our main agent, It's exactly the same in our combine tool. It's still doing this. Let me show you this combine tool. I believe it's stuck or something. So this combine tool, it's exactly will do the same edit field, but here we have the split out. Okay, so the split out, I just need to show yes. So it's just like lagging or something. Okay, so we have here the same edit, image 1 and image 2, and then we have the split out because we need to put both of them, like see, this is one item. Now we need them in two items now. So we need both images ID by itself, then we need to download the file itself. So we are getting the image ID, then we are downloaded by the ID. So we're searching for the image in our Google Drive with our image ID, and we download both images. Let's view it. This is the one, and the other one is the speaker. And now we are pass it to IMBBG in order to create a link for it. It's the same exact thing, just create a link for both, and then we need to aggregate both of them. So we have here two things. Now we need to aggregate it in one file because this combined image. So we need to have it in one file. So this is actually the whole thing of the combined thing. So we get the two links, and the two links we need to add in one link or one file, and this one file will be passed to our file, and it's exactly the same. Nothing changes. We will just put the other URL that we need, and that's it. So this is the first URL. We needed the first URL, and the second URL will be down here. Yes, this is the second URL because this is the man, and the other one will be the speaker. Yes, this is the other one, will be the speaker. So just put the two URL to file, and then after file, we will wait the get results, then we wait, and then download it, upload it, then send it back the actual image itself. So this is basically it for the Photoshop agent and the sub workflows. Of course, if you need more details, or if you need to ask any questions, you can comment in the comments down below, or you can ask me in my Skool community. We have like a big Skool community there. We have a lot of discussions, and we already have this workflows ready. You can just plug and play. Okay, I hope you like this video. If you need more videos about a specific thing, just tell me, and have a wonderful day.